So here I'm being asked to show that all square numbers are a multiple of 4 or one more than a multiple of 4. So if you think about what square numbers you know, 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on, we can see we've got a multiple of 4 here, multiple of 4 here, one more than a multiple of 4 here and here. So it seems that that would be the case, but we have to prove algebraically that this is true for all square numbers. So the square number is a result of either squaring an odd number or an even number. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to consider the odd and the even cases separately. So this is proof by exhaustion. So let's start with an even number, which I can represent as, say, 2n. N is any integer. And when I square it, I get 4n squared. This is a multiple of 4 because it's n squared multiplied by 4. It's in the 4 times table. So that is a multiple of 4 or one more than a multiple of 4. So it's true for even numbers. So now let's consider odd numbers. I'm going to choose a different integer. I'm choosing m this time. And I represent any odd integer as one of the even numbers plus 1. Okay, now when I square this, it's 2m plus 1 squared, which is 2m plus 1 multiplied by 2m plus 1, making sure we multiply out double brackets. So I get 4m squared plus 2m plus 1, which simplifies to 4m squared plus 4m plus 1. Now the trick here is to factorise the terms that have a 4 in. Now, quite clearly, this is a multiple of 4. And if I add 1 to it, that's one more than a multiple of 4. So when I square an odd number, I get a multiple of 4 or one more than a multiple of 4. So that now it's satisfied for odd numbers as well. So if it's true when I square an even number or when I square an odd number, I've proven by exhaustion that all square numbers are a multiple of 4 or one more than a multiple of 4. Concluding the proof. Incidentally, all square numbers are also a multiple of 3 or one more than a multiple of 3, but there are more cases to consider in that example. So if you want to see that example, check out studywell.com.